Hello, my name is Waken Ferris. Have you noticed in driving the roads how many people are using their mobile devices while they're operating their vehicles? I've had this observation for over a year and a half, and it's getting worse day by day, and something needs to be done. Here recently, I was reading online of all the new tech items that are coming out for cars in the not-too-distant future. New tech items in a cockpit of a car and a mobile phone as well is too many devices when the simple task of driving a car is all that is needed to get from point A to point B. The purpose for putting together this Driving While Distracted site is to find people that would love to have the laws changed concerning driving using a mobile phone, period. That's handheld, texting, finding apps. The purpose of establishing Driving While Distracted and looking for funds to try to get the laws changed is a massive undertaking. We're talking about laws in each and every state that vary a great deal, and there's no continuity, no unity between one state to the next. I think you all would agree that driving and using a mobile phone or a mobile device is very dangerous. In fact, it's been equal to driving under the influence. I feel that driving while distracted is far more dangerous because not only are people using their phones while the vehicle is in motion, but they're using the vehicles at stoplights, stop signs. And that causes traffic jams, holds people up, and an accident can happen from that as well. The minimum we will try to do with this program is try to get the states to pass laws that do not allow using mobile devices while the car is on any facet of operation on the streets. The funds that you will help provide, if you decide to help fund this program, is to make every municipality, every state aware that during investigations of anything like a fender bender, a hit and run, a fatality, are not consistent. During the investigation of an accident, one of the line items that is not included in a lot of the investigations of accidents is if a mobile device was involved. But the one thing that is part of an investigation is if somebody is under the influence of alcohol. One of the points we would like to get changed is the fact that any kind of an accident, whether it be a fender bender, a hit and run, or a fatality, that one of the investigative line items during the accident investigation is whether or not the driver was using a mobile device. I investigated 5 municipalities with populations over 250,000 people, and not one of the 5 that I talked to in the police department had statistics on driving while distracted, specifically mobile devices.
Why are you making a video about this?
To change the laws in all the states of the United States to be uniform and consistent with each other, to take handheld devices and texting and any use of a mobile device out of the car.
How can you be effective in getting laws changed across the country?
Well, going with a media blitz, high-profile advertising, just getting the movement exposed should help implement at least some of the legislative bodies in this country to start taking a look. Then the literature that are going to be sent to each and every state's lawmaking body asking for either the opportunity to show up and give a 10 or 15 minute spread on what we feel needs to be done to make the streets safe for everybody.
You've got a nonprofit company. Well, you're not trying to get rich off this. You're just trying to save lives. Is that correct?
By all means. The exact purpose of this is I'm not interested in money. I'm interested in safety. Each and every one of us in this country get out on the streets every day, and the risk of driving on the street is already high enough. But then you take and put a mobile device in a cockpit, somebody operating a car and using a phone, and you've just doubled, quadrupled, 5, 10 times the risk is now at stake. It's insane that people will put others around them at risk just for some selfish indulgence. And if it has to be done, Just get off the road and do it. Don't involve others' lives because you think it's important.
And then you think you can be influential with lawmakers?
Not only lawmakers, but I think the insurance company needs to work in concert with lawmakers. Insurance companies write policy on cars, much like in DUIs. If somebody's got a DUI record, their insurance premiums are much higher than just the average citizen. They're taxed even heavier by high premiums. And I think it ought to be the same way with mobile phones. And the insurance companies being aware of the continual violation or setting their premiums accordingly. People that use mobile devices in the car are making the streets very unsafe. And I'm more concerned about children that are not only watching their parents do this, that bad habit being established at a young age, but those parents are putting those children at risk as well. And that just doesn't wash.